ntwe le kgotsang ka polygamist a we khotsa ke lena fela mashashane le moleji ba phela le yona ke ntwe le re ya thaga e normal o na le banna le bashimane ba ile reng o na le ngwana village by village ene ka lebaka la re high school plekete o kreye ngwana o mongwe dia grade 8 o mongwe dia grade 10 step mother se dia grade 12 e normal kudukudu rena e re tshoshi re hotse le yona re a itseba.
Hello and welcome to Mzansi's Funniest Videos. Most of South Africans are talking about this Risiyama Pona Pona. I haven't watched, but we'll see it soon. Kena Jonas. Oh. Oh, Jonas. Msadi wa Jonas.
Hawu. Kanti uJonas ushaya abayi4 kuphela bese akhula. Unebhadi naye lo Jonas wenu.
Alasha ingaki 100. Aw. Nangu is 5. uJonas bekathi uyoshaya.
Chomi, the polygamist Chomi. My wee Chomi is on Netflix Chomi. And then you don't have Netflix. Then you watch next year, Chomi. Because it is people with Netflix, Chomi, that can watch Netflix. Then Netflix will jiggle all the episodes, and then he asks me my medium. My medium is turned me, so my medium is give me a password to Netflix.
You don't have Netflix.
Your medium is nyama. Me my medium is Kio. So me have watched my polygamist. Chomi, my babo. Chomi is the left, right, and center. As Bafana, I have to die and be rebel at the end. Chomi. Hi, but no, don't worry. I'm sure they will put it on TV, CBD, maybe next year. But in us, Netflix users, we have watched and finished. Sorry, Chomi. Don't zondel me. I love you, Chomi. Sharp, Chomi. Polygamist, Chomi. Ha, Chomi.
Nahana what's up, boyfriend? Tahaw ya ko kasi hore. Baby, please stop taking me for granted. Ebar, wang hafelo ko tse chata grante.
Why it's on the cookies?
Get it?
Yeah, we get it.
For granted.
Okay, yeah.
Chata grante.
Oh, what's on the talos? Your own joke. Ow, who you, Jonas? Yo, nangu sila stuyan lul. Suti ya shine mesh.
So I'm here to protect my friend. Just wanna say, Jonas, ujwayele Celeste Masimba. Jonas ujwayele Celeste blind. Like Jonas ujwayele Brian Gabi. That's all I'm gonna say. Mara, Jonas ujwayele Celeste blind. Angazophendula Celeste. Angazophendula Celeste kanje. Umngani wami lo yani. Ibrahim man hey. Angazoyenza uCeleste lento yamamenzela. uCeleste simbona uCeleste umngani wethu. Uzathu uCeleste ampikisa khona. Nawo hey.
Makandikenye. Yo banna. Maran makandikenye. Fteke. Yo, it's fteke.
Kabakala polygamist.
Kaza sashona lamantombazane bakithi akuthanda uze uyisolo ukuthi hey kazi ngangenwe yini ngishela loluhlanya.
Uhlanya lokuthanda. Awubandla. Awu sisi.
Wena uthini ngale nto yenziwa Jonas?
Ah la la.
Angazwanga.
Uthini ngale nto yenziwa Jonas? Uthini opinion yakho?
History sis.
Mina ngazi, mina ngibona ukuthi
Awazi.
mama phela ngisivele laba baya exit kuya.
Ngeke bazi ba exit engekho ba etha into ekhona ikho.
Yenziwa ubani?
Uyangidefend.
Hawu webabo. Nangu umuntu bo.
Uyangidefend.
Mama ngithi story lesi kuya exit. Mama kuya exit.
Didn't a lot of women say it's better to cry in a G-Wagon? Now cry.
So everyone is mad at Jonas from the Serious Polygamist. But from my understanding, Netflix is paying Jonas to be toxic, to be a cheater.
To be Jonas.
When your boyfriend is doing it for free. No, we're going to talk about it. Shame is doing it for free. No contract, no salary, no benefits. Just pure dedication to being a cheater and being toxic. And when you stay? But I guess that's none of my business.
When did you think such, but?
Guys, na re gotse re tsebe gore le bitla la mosadi ke bogadi. E ile gore wena o diile ngwana kwa Afcon nke o ye bogadi le wena. O ishe ngwana a ile gata mabala. Gore o khumane o dutse le ngwana mo ngwana a setlefetša duletse di go slow msara ka moka khane ngwana tshwantse o ba khoshi kwa Bangladesh. Le ska dia bana ba lena so le ska ba time ditokelo tša bona. Papa ba no khumane kwa ba tsang gona wa tsarkeng ile di khoshering tše golo nke le sepleng lo bona bogadi lo gata mabala. Ka re onjwa tše le dile bana ba batho bo se ba re makoti le ska dia sonkeleng bogadi le ska re poula yang bogadi.
Mensen, Jonas, maak nou de ons moet verdreven worden. Dat is lelijk je beter.
Okay.
En zullen moet op, kijk wat het met Jonas gebeurt. Huh? Hij kan nog goed te komen. Dus de Gomorra. Yo, hij kan nog goed te komen.
But you can look at a conversation and say, this is what it looks like. Or you can say, I can see what it looks like, but I choose not to say anything. I don't even want to attempt to say anything. But you can see what it looks like. I don't want to. You don't even want to see. I choose not to see.
Like, how you mad at me for being mad at you for something you did to me? That just don't make sense to me, bro.
Polygamist.
Tyler Perry, this is not your cue, okay? This is not, don't get inspired. We don't need that. Like, the show was good. We liked it for what it was. Leave it for South Africa. Leave it alone, okay? Leave it,
Now Netflix, lapho
Netflix.
Nginawo Showmax, manje la movie la idlala ku Netflix mfethu yabo. So bayisi ba TV le. Okube kufuna ukufaka ukuthi elomsendele ama credentials.
A poor man knows he's poor, and a poor woman thinks she's just with the wrong man. We are not the same.
My brother, I want us to talk about the Polygamist, the movie on Netflix, the South African one. You know, South Africans know what they are doing with the movies now. That one is a beautiful one now.
Okay. Compliment.
Brother, the man was collecting woman every day. Every episode, the man is introducing another woman. The mistress, the wife, the children, the side children, the secret children, everything. At some point, I didn't even understand who was who. The way he was collecting woman now.
Which is which?
Yep. Do you know Jonas, baby? Do you know Jonas? Jonas is trendy. Why? I'm just saying Jonas is trending. It's viral. I'm a Georgia. I'm a Georgia.
You are playing for divorce, when?
Listen, no Jonas. Uyabale ku Jonas. Why kaya? Why are you sad, baby?
I'm not sad, I'm watching.
No, it's like you are sad.
Then why are you happy?
Eh?
Why are you happy?
No, I'm not.
Like excited.
Boo. I'm just saying this is Jonas. Jonas, man of the moment. Then why are you sad?
No, I'm not sad. I'm watching.
Man of the moment.
Why are you excited?
Yeah.
Excited king.
Yeah?
Excited king.
No, I'm just saying Jonas is. You want to cry, I can see.
Oh, okay for what?
Why there's tears in your eyes? Your husband is not Jonas, man. Be happy. Hey, Lona was baby. Hi, Johnny baby. Johnny baby.
Bob ba magenshon. Ngisasonaqamelana manje impela nithi uyena ongisherile masosini banje ukuthi ngiyachitha.
Because vele ke mina ke nje amantombazane ayangishela.
Sinaqamela nje lo mango ngoba phela nje sinoso story senja sisibhaye enhlopho.
Ngomhla wahlangana nami face to face. Ilawe uqala khona ukubona ukuthi ikhona lento yokuthi intombazane ishela umfana.
Asisibhaye nje so story sen at all because we honestly do not understand ukuthi khona intombazane engashela umfana.
Wena kusamele ngihambe nawe siye mall. Mase uhambe emuva kusaqasha. Ungibuke nje. Ubona ukuthi ngophuma emall esemangaka amantombazana asecele inamba zami.
Asi understand it naleyo nto and futhi mawukuthi ke ikhona intombazane engashela umfana okusho wena uyiqamile.
Phela kuya ngokuthi itype yami nayo izingishele ngoba nayo phela kufanele iqale ibuke yona ibuke mina before ingishele. Awukwazi ukuthi ungathi uyintombazane ula uyoxhumela lapha ya phezulu ngoba uzowa kabuhlungu bhatlazeke phansi.
Just ikushelile wena waswayiqoma. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Kanti hayi ngoba ngisuke ngimqomile qo. Ngiyavuma nje ngithi yes just ukususa isicephe eduze kwami nesidina bona lento yokushelwa.
It's not like ngisuke ngiqoma with the capital letter Q. Kusuke kukwenza nje ngoba emva komqomo mina ngiyablock.
Ngeke bafana ngeke ninamanga and amanga yalihlula abantu besilisa kufanele niwayeke.
Lokuthi ke mina nginebhadi lokushelwa lamantombazane ahlala komhlanga Rocks goBalito uyabona amantombazane lawo ama CEO ama companies amakhulu yabo nginebhadi lokushelwa lawo mantombazane. Mina ngitshela kahle ukuthi nike ilanga liyashisa. I know my word mina.
Guys, ngathi banamanga. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Stay indoors, it's cold. Watch Mzansi's funniest videos. That's it. Take care.
Gents, I said this and I'm going to say it again. Do not put yourself under pressure to perform financially, especially for women. We see now a lot of people are getting arrested. People that you thought you knew, public relationships that were posted, women that were saying push presents, women that were saying my husband bought me a farm, and it's corruption. There you are feeling insufficient as if amanye amadoda are overtaking you. If you are doing the best that you can do right now, that is sufficient. Women will always like money, including myself. But we love money in different degrees. There are women who don't mind where the money comes from. There are women who have their own money and like a man to add on to that so that she doesn't have to downgrade his standards. And then there are women who hike nje life in buy a hike, the next best thing, buy a hike. Yeah, understand? You cannot put yourself under pressure to a point of doing izinto that are illegal just for you to have a place in society. No. We've seen big names that you thought were legit, and the whole time a person is corrupt. They are inspiring us saying, work harder, Khereza my bra. They are on podcasts, and they are being implicated with Madlanga Commission. So don't ever put yourself under pressure, especially with a person you don't know. I said if you don't wake up every day with that person in the same house, you don't know what they do at night, who they meet, whose hands they shake, you don't know. You cannot measure your success according to some. Yes, you can be inspired, but you cannot start looking down on yourself because you're not performing like A and B. No.